Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you should have already listened to the story When I Grow Up. Now, it's your job to look at these picture cards and retell the story by putting the events in order. What happened in the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story? Let's take a look at these pictures. This is a picture. And it says, "When I get bigger," said Allie, "I want to grow up too." So this is Allie looking out her window and thinking to herself, "Oh, when I get older, I want to grow up." This picture is a picture of Allie sleeping. Do you know what these bubbles mean? This is like a thought cloud. This means she's sleeping, and when she's sleeping, she is thinking about what she wants to be when she grows up. And this picture is a picture of Granny reading her a story about a little girl growing up. Okay, now it's your job to take these pictures and put them in order. What happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end. When you're done, you may take a picture on Seesaw or a video on Seesaw telling your teacher what happened in the story.